My name is Bessie Done, and I am the director and producer of the documentary titled Exploring Tech in Employment Inclusion. Here are some frames from the finished work. The interplay between those two things, tech and employment inclusion, was actually quite eye-opening to explore. In many ways, the subject matter felt very academic, which is why, for me, it was really important not to lose sight of the storytelling in the process. I wanted to create something that was narratively coherent, but also visually beautiful and just stunning. I wanted every frame to feel almost like a painting. During production, things got quite intense. For one, we had to film in some insane weather conditions up north. So hats off to the production team for surviving and pulling this off, cause it be thing. So thank you to the client for trusting myself and Katung Films to deliver, and thank you to everyone who helped make this project a success. We hope you watch the documentary, and we hope it leaves you with the understanding that prosperity for one is indeed prosperity for all.